Hi, I'm G from Ad Esse Consulting. Increasingly, we're hearing terms such as customer journeys, being customer-centric, and end users in our sector when it comes to business and service improvement, and particularly when it comes to service design. Now, that's great because it aligns completely with customer value, which we're big fans of. And something that has become more and more popular, certainly been spoken of a lot more, is human-centric design. Human-centric design, it's a problem-solving or design process that in essence designs services starting with and based on the holistic needs of a customer. So starting with that and working backwards. So it's usually broken down into 3 steps, usually called inspiration, ideation, and implementation. In essence, the process starts really by understanding the customer's needs and requirements in quite a holistic way. So what do they want or need to receive, want to experience, how should it feel? All those things are taken into account to really understand the end user's requirements. The next step then is to brainstorm as many ideas to deliver these needs. There's no bad ideas to start with, of course, but it is an iterative process, an approach where you work on and continue to work on and make better the best of those design ideas. And then finally comes implementation, which despite being hard is, as it sounds, really implementing those best ideas. And again, taking into account things like agile, etc., and continuous improvement, continuously looking to improve that. So the benefits can be substantial. You are, after all, creating or designing services based on what your customers need. And pretty much all of us can accept the theory that if we have happy customers, we're likely to have a happy organization. Anything else, likely to be wasteful. So the benefits that you'll see through human-centric design will likely be increased customer satisfaction and lower costs as well. So it's not a magical thing. Human-centric design is a practical process and something that we can all apply. There are plenty of techniques that can help. To understand customers better, we use things such as customer journey mapping, so focus groups with customers, values mapping, demand analysis, or more statistical, customer profiling as well, before we go into service design. And as we go into service design, our approach to that and process design as well is based around delivering the ideal customer journey and experience. So the key is really working backwards from what the customer requires, what the end user's needs are, and thinking of that in a holistic way. So not thinking about design from the processes that you already have in place. So hopefully that was helpful.